Smells yum. So, what are you putting in your sauce?
You want to read all the labels?
Tell me.
Or the list?
My
Here,
friend
you
just
can hold
asked
it.
me.
You can read it while I
What goes in Daddy?
Tomatoes, cloves of garlic,
And if you drink it in a cold thing, you probably can't smell it. Yeah, people do like
ginger,
Do you use what kind of ginger?
I grate fresh ginger that I've frozen. Right now, do you want to do some of these? And squeeze them.
So you're grating together. Oh, good job.
And you can load them up. Put a couple in there.
Your arm is strong, G.
got this, Daddy. Don't wait. I got it. Don't.
It's really hard to do the last bit of it.
Yeah, the part that's
Okay, let me
nut,
finish.
the nubby part. And as your assistant, Georgia, as Daddy's assistant, what would you say the hardest part is?
Nothing.
Hmm.
What do you do?
She's just so good at this now.
Okay, now we're gonna grate some ginger.
Can they mix it?
If you want to grate some ginger.
No, but can they mix it?
Sure. Take this skinny guy. You can mix with that.
God, without you're doing that. Can you not stop where you want, like,
Let me just grate a little bit more and then I'll be done.
okay.
Can you scrape off ginger?
Good
Thank
job.
you. Okay.
And is there tomato sauce in there?
This
It's
is tomato
crushed
sauce.
tomatoes. Alright, G, so we've done our garlic and ginger, we've done all our spices. Next we just gotta put in our chicken.
It smells wonderful. Do you add sugar or anything
No
sweet?
sugar.
Just salt.
No honey?
No honey.
Excuse me, Mimi.
So what are you getting, Mark?
Chicken.
So are these, what kind of chickens?
Chicken breast.
Are you gonna dice them?
Nope, just throw them in whole. And after they cook, I'll cut them up.
Wow. So you just put them in the Instapot for how long?
Let me put
10
it in.
minutes.
Or I'll put the sauce
You can
on.
cover them up.
So 10 minutes on high.
Yeah, and then a few minutes of natural pressure release.
I still gotta figure out how to.
Oh, I see what's here. Garam masala. That's a very good spice. And that is sweet, by the way. And smoked paprika. Pepper. Anything else here that? Ah. Lots of cumin. So then 10 minutes and then natural release.
Yeah, it takes a bit to come to pressure though.
Yeah.
Okay, George. I don't want to lose any of our sauce, so I'm going to scrape the sides here a little bit.
Such a good cooker these days, George.
Yeah, she's really good.
I think it's really good.
Hey, you got my hand wet.
Alright. I just washed them.
Especially
Okay,
with
we're gonna
that
put our lid back on.
that new hairstyle.
What?
Okay, goes this way. Turns. And we're gonna go pressure cook and then down to 10 minutes. And then start.
I would call this father-daughter sauce instead of daddy sauce.
Yeah.
Hey, Mark,
Yes.
I'm just gonna